Hi everyone, we're here in Benson Green Cafe and we're having this Choco Macadamia Frappuccino, and we also have this plum tea here. They are situated in Friendship, so if you want to visit, you can actually check out their Facebook page. Anyway, we are going to do the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket here, and I have it, the DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay, so we just bought it earlier. I'm gonna use a cutter to, of course, open it. This would be whole plastic thingy. So it's quite difficult to unbox this one. Sorry, I'm having some difficulties cutting this. I think it's quite open. There we go. So the plastic is now peeled off, and let me check. Okay. So this would be the Osmo Pocket. Okay, let's check. All right, so there you go. We have. Okay. So this would, I suppose, this would be the manual, or oh, this is the warranty. Okay, so this will be the warranty card of the Osmo Pocket, and let's take a look. Let's check. All right. So here is our guy. It's really rather small. Wow. Finally, I got a feels. It's not really that heavy, but yeah, there's some weight. Maybe cell phone weight. And this would be the box of it. Okay, let's check how to open this. Hold on. Okay, there you go. So this would be the casing, and this would be the charger. Okay, silica gel. Let's check. Okay. So they inserted this one here. Oh, so this would be the holder, and I think this would be the charger. Yep, it is indeed the charger. And what's this? Okay, so this would be the charger, and this would be the adapter. I suppose so. Okay, so this would be for iPhone, I guess, because I've seen several chargers for, or the cable for iPhone, similar to this one, lightning cable, and this will be for the Type C. Okay, so I'm gonna. All right. So here are the contents of it, and we also have this also packet. This will be the manual. This one is written in several languages, so understandable enough. Okay. All right. So let's check it out again. So this would be the connector and such, and this is a casing, and it's some rather small, and this would be the guy, the main one, the main guy. So if we are going to open this one, it says like this. Oh, okay. Yeah, it goes like this. Okay, sorry about that, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, so there you go, the Osmo Pocket. By the way, we actually bought this at SM Clark inbox, the official store. Here is it. Okay, you can check it out at second floor in SM Clark, Pampanga. Okay, so the Osmo Pocket doesn't have any SD card yet. For it to function, we of course need to buy an SD card, and we bought one. It's much cheaper. Game line, nothing but games. Still at SM Clark, second floor. Just a few steps away from the inbox stores. Okay, where we bought the DJI Osmo Pocket. And accordingly, or according to the store, they actually recommend Extreme Pro micro SD for this. So we bought one 64 gig. If you will see the read speed will be 170 MB per second. The write is 90 MB per second, which is basing from that speed alone, you can actually see that this one is quite fast, which is recommended, especially if you are shooting a 4K video, to which this guy has the capability of doing so. Okay, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. For you to activate it, you need to download a certain application. You can actually get it from App Store or Play Store, and that's a DJI Mimo. Okay. Well, so just to show you again, this would be the contents of the box. The Osmo itself, okay, the casing, of course, the silica gel, the cable, the connectors, the manual, two manuals in different languages. We also have the warranty card. Okay. Anyway, so that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you can actually join us with another unboxing, and we most likely we are going to do some videos, okay, using this guide, and we'll actually show you sometime. Okay. Thank you so much once again, and take care. Bye bye now.